Alright, so backstory here. I recorded this video back in 2014. I went camping for Veronica's birthday, and this is going to be the video that you're about to watch. So keep in mind, this video was filmed in 2014. This was a long time ago, well before I had any sort of real camping experience. So come along for this adventure, and for one of the first times that I ever videoed being outdoors. A lot of wood for the fire that we got to cut. We're going to probably have her cut a piece too. How come I gave you the one piece with the freaking knot in it?
What do you mean a knot?
There's a giant knot in the center.
Oh.
Right there, and that's the hardest part of the wood. So let's get you another piece that's easier to cut than that. Alright, this is Veronica with her training. She's going to split a log with my Schrade SCHF9. It's okay. You're making some progress. So now that it gets towards the center, now you hit the nose of the blade. Keep going. And my girlfriend just split a log. This is such a turn on. Oh yeah. I can feel that knot. Jesus. That was a big knot. Didn't do shit to this thing. Alright, let's cut around the knot this time. We'll keep that one.
Yeah, he's just pure muscle.
Dude, I've never seen anything like that before. That's crazy.
Most people don't. Everyone. He's the little chick magnet.
Is that like, yeah.
It was an accident, and I actually rescued him from. The rest of them all died.
Oh, that's awesome, man.
And I fed him with an eye dropper for a while.
You're the man, dude.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah.
That's really awesome.
Little guy.
What are we doing, babe? Oh, is that what we're doing?
Yeah, we did.
Cool. Well, we are camping right now, cycling, living. Hey, what does this beat?
Being triple sat.
Yeah, getting triple sat.
Triple A?
Triple A? You're not GoPro worthy. How's that hill?
It's not over yet.
Oh, don't even play it like you're not good.
But now there's a camera.
Went up a big hill just now. On these crappy little bikes. We just got off the bikes. We're overlooking Holy Jim Trail down here, where you see the car driving on the dirt road there. Veronica being an Instagram photographer, smiling because she just got a good shot. We're having fun for little Vernie's birthday. Oh, hi. I love the G-force you feel. This wood is kind of scary, though. Woo. Oh, look at...
Well, you go that way.
You're weird. What are we doing over here? Oh, we cooked up little baked beans. Did some roasted hot dogs on the fire. Little Lady Vern. So we got another fire going here. We actually need to put a little more wood on it. We got our barbecue fire over there that we've yet to put out. But it's all good. We're just hanging out. We got our camping chairs and happy birthday! Brace yourself.
Happy birthday, I
Happy birthday, buddy.
You were from...
Oh, I've totally used this card on you before. You gotta read it. You cried. You cried. You cried. What does it say? You can't be a desert chick without your own matching gear. Ow. Pretty bright. Look at that thing, dude.
Look at that curl.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
What a flame.
It's gonna go real fast.
Yep.
It's a flash in the pan.
That's awesome. Ooh, that feels good. Oh, that's so cool. That's so cool to see that it's just, it's
drop right in.
looks like someone threw a 12 gauge through the backside.
Well, there was.
Well, the fire's almost out, which means it's about bedtime for us. Yep. Oh, well, now it's out.
Oh dear.
That looks pretty cool, though. Look how the embers are all kind of like... Time to go to sleep, Booger.
Yep.
Did you have a fun birthday?
Oh yeah.
We're laying in our tent right now. Listening to a bunch of yuppie teenagers count to 85. It's the next morning. Slept like an hour. Oh, yeah. Camping. And look at the score here. Yep, that about explains it. This was my first time using a magnesium fire rod, and as you can tell, I was very inexperienced here. Grinding with the sharp edge of my knife. Wow. I'm cringing inside. It's also very apparent I really didn't know how to start a fire back then in 2014, although not much has really changed since. We don't have much left for fire stoking, but that on there. Get some water boiling here. Grab some shrubs. And just kind of throw it on the backside of that fire. Hey, good morning, you guys.
Good to see you made it through the night without getting kicked out. That's pretty good.
Oh, always, yeah. Can't beat that. Got a couple more pieces of wood from some friendly neighbors we met last night. Over there. They put they were the ones with the giant fire. One of them's a carpenter, so he has more wood than he knows what to do with. And we're using that wood to, well, boil some water and make some fresh made coffee like they did back in the olden days. So we're gonna go ahead and get the old school press ready, fire it up. Looks like our water's finally starting to boil. We're gonna try and get it out. It's gonna be pretty damn hot, I tell you what. Ooh, that's hot, baby. And hopefully the impurities do not make their way through. Just like that. Now stir it up a little bit. Alright, we're gonna press it now. I don't know if we really got much coffee out of that take, but we'll see. We'll just pretend I milked this from a cow, huh? Beautiful. Let's give her a taste, huh? Oh, that's good. That's strong as shit, though. Jesus. That's good, huh? Take some of that, baby. Oh, yeah. It's a good little piece right there, man. That stuff goes up quick, huh? That's crazy. Jeez. Oh, that warmed me up nice. Well, that's going to do it for this video, guys. A lot sure has changed since 2014. The type of gear that I use, the way that I backpack, and the way that I camp. It all started from here, and this was one of the first times I ever got outdoors with a camera in my hands. So I hope you like this one. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see ya on the next adventure.